Welcome to American Dream Mansions. If you love exploring the most luxurious and elegant homes in the USA, then you're in the right place. Before we begin today's stunning home tour, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an exclusive look into America's most extraordinary properties. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey through a breathtaking modern villa that stands out with its bold and beautiful design. A luxury masterpiece where the upper level glows in rich red tones while the lower level gleams in elegant white. Located in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the United States, this red and white mansion defines modern architecture, sophistication, and comfort all in one. As we approach the property, the front exterior immediately captures attention. The upper red facade contrasts perfectly against the lower white marble, creating a bold, yet balanced visual harmony. The large floor-to-ceiling glass windows invite natural light while reflecting the surrounding greenery and blue American skies. The perfectly maintained lawn and modern driveway lead us to a stylish double garage with metallic red doors, designed to fit multiple luxury cars with ease. Stepping inside, the grand entrance welcomes you with a magnificent red wooden door framed by white stone walls. The interior opens up to a vast open concept layout filled with soft light and clean design. The main living area, or as we call it the heart of the home, offers a spacious TV lounge decorated in red and white tones, plush white sofas, elegant red cushions, and a wall-mounted 4K smart TV. The lighting is warm and inviting, creating the perfect atmosphere for both family moments and high-end gatherings. Next, we move into the gourmet kitchen, a chef's dream come true. White marble countertops shine under hanging pendant lights, while custom red cabinets bring a sense of energy and modernity to the space. Every appliance is top of the line, sleek, stainless steel, and perfectly integrated. Right beside it, the dining area showcases a luxurious marble table surrounded by red velvet chairs, illuminated by a crystal chandelier that completes the elegant aesthetic. The bedrooms in this villa are true sanctuaries. The master suite is a blend of red luxury and white serenity, featuring a king-size bed, large windows, and an attached balcony overlooking the garden and pool area. The master bathroom offers a spa-like experience, red and white tiles, a freestanding bathtub, and glass shower walls that create a peaceful retreat for the homeowners. Each guest bedroom follows the same modern style, filled with comfort, color harmony, and plenty of natural light. Moving toward the staircase, we find one of the villa's most impressive design elements, a curved modern staircase with white marble steps, red railings, and glass panels. It connects the main floor to the upper level seamlessly, maintaining the open-air concept while enhancing the architectural flow. Upstairs, there's a fully equipped home office with panoramic windows and elegant furniture. The combination of red shelving and a white desk gives the space a professional yet artistic appeal, perfect for working from home or creative inspiration. Outside, the magic continues. The backyard is designed for pure relaxation and entertainment. The swimming pool sparkles with LED lighting, surrounded by a wooden deck and comfortable lounge chairs. The red upper floor reflects beautifully in the water, especially during sunset. There's also a rooftop terrace offering an amazing view of the entire property and the surrounding neighborhood, an ideal spot for evening gatherings or a peaceful night under the stars. Every detail in this house has been carefully thought out, from the lighting placement to the color contrasts, from the flooring materials to the outdoor landscape. The combination of red and white gives the house a signature identity, bold, modern, and timelessly elegant. It's not just a house, it's a statement of design and lifestyle that reflects the spirit of American luxury living. As the drone view rises, we can see the entire property, the symmetrical red and white structure, green gardens, wide driveway, and crystal clear pool, a perfect blend of modern architecture and warmth. This is more than a dream home, it's a piece of art built to inspire and impress. Thank you for joining us on this stunning tour of the red and white luxury villa right here in the USA. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more breathtaking tours of the most exclusive homes across the country. Because here on American Dream Mansions, we don't just show houses, we show dreams built into reality.